Coleman cabin tent with instant setup in 60 seconds. This 4-person camping tent is the top of the line when it comes to design and durability. Setup is a breeze, and this amazing tent offers stellar features found in much more expensive kits. Living space is a luxury that many campers live without, but it is standard with the roomy interior of this Coleman product. It easily fits a queen-size airbed and measures 8 feet by 7 feet with an almost 5-foot center height. Double-thick fabric, welded corners, and inverted seams add up to a better sense of safety and security, not to mention keeping the water out. Oh, and did we mention the standard 60-second setup? No more fumbling with weak poles and a cumbersome design. The Coleman cabin tent is perfect for any outdoor getaway. It's light, durable, and easy to pack away and have ready when you want to enjoy yourself in the great outdoors. ZOOBELIVES 10-degree hydrophobic down sleeping bag. The ZOOBELIVES 10-degree sleeping bag is perfect for the serious mountaineer as well as the casual camper and hiker. The mummy design is the wave of the present, conserving space and weight while cocooning you in comfort and warmth. Fit for 4 seasons, this bag weighs in at an ultralight 35 ounces, even with the ripstop nylon shell's waterproof finish that sends moisture on its way. The anti-snag zipper design banishes the frustration we have all had from cheap zippers that get stuck at the worst times, like in the middle of the night. An amazing gift for yourself or someone else that fits perfectly into a backpack or even a suitcase. The ZOOBELIVES Down Sleeping Bag is 100% warranted for your satisfaction from day one. No more heavy bags weighing you down. This one is great for anything you need a sleeping bag to do. Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammocks. When looking for a hammock to use indoors or outdoors, you look for quality, comfort, easy setup, and of course, strength. This Wise Owl hammock fits the bill and more. And did we mention it weighs only 24 ounces and holds 400 to 500 pounds depending on which one you choose? How's that for high tech? 2 people can relax comfortably in this parachute nylon hammock that features 9-foot-long, tree-friendly straps and carabiners, 5 separate loops for easy height adjustment, and triple interlocking stitching. 15 color combinations mean a style to fit anyone's taste, and you also pick the size you need. Want to relax under the stars, or sleep by the fire, or both? The Wise Owl Outfitters camping hammock goes where you want it to go and makes any outdoor excursion that much better. Nothing, absolutely nothing says relaxation like a beautiful night spent in a hammock. Ponamfo Camping Shower. Having a portable camping shower can turn a good trip into the wilderness into a great one. Hygiene is important no matter where you lay your head, and the Ponamfo camping shower makes getting clean after a long day easy and fun. There are even 2 flow modes with the handy nozzle, so you get to decide how you want to enjoy your shower. The 12-liter capacity gives you approximately 6 minutes to thoroughly wash and get ready to relax or even start another great day in the wide open. The pressure foot pump means no more having to hang it high to get water flow. There's even a water level scale to show how much water you have left, and better still, a temperature gauge that tells you how warm the water is before you begin. The Ponamfo camping shower is leak-proof and ultra-durable and makes a great addition to any outdoor excursion. Hiking Backpack 20L. Not every hike lasts for days on end and covers miles and miles, right? For day or short distance hiking and camping, it's tough to beat the Rock Nemo Hiking Backpack for both economy and versatility. Made of waterproof and wear and tear resistant nylon, this outdoor accessory is both affordable and high quality. The shoulder and chest straps, as well as belt, are all adjustable to make sure to get the perfect fit for anyone in the great outdoors. The carrying system highlights ergonomic design and great weight distribution to keep you comfortable on your feet, whether you're walking or climbing. There are 2 quick pockets featured on the belt for easy storage of keys and portable electronics, as well as other necessities that you want quick access to while under the wide open sky. And with an 18-liter capacity and weighing under 2 pounds, a little goes a long ways with this economical and well-designed backpack. BioLite Solar Panel 5 Plus with integrated power bank. As much as we all like to get away from it all, it's still important to be able to charge our gear. Everything including phones, tablets, cameras, GPS systems, and other gadgets we take with us. The BioLite solar panel features a state-of-the-art monocrystalline solar panel as well as an integrated sundial to point your panel exactly where it needs to go for maximum efficiency. The 2200 mAh rechargeable battery means you can power up your devices even after the sun goes down. Indicators keep you informed of how much battery strength you have as well as the charge strength, greatly cutting down annoying surprises. With a super slim, weather-resistant design, this handy little piece of technology should be right along with you on your next wilderness excursion. Getting away from it all doesn't always mean having to leave it all behind. Cliq Camping Chair. This is one amazing little device, so impressive that it set the crowdfunding world ablaze. The Cliq Camping Chair collapses to the size of a bottle, setting up in a blazing fast 5 seconds and holds up to 300 pounds. It's the most compact portable chair on the market and boasts of being tip-proof no matter where you set it up. The aircraft-grade aluminum and ultra-sturdy design have been tested and retested to be perfect for camping, backpacking, sporting events, the beach of course, as well as a limitless list of fun outdoor activities. Over 100,000 buyers can attest to the usefulness of this rugged and high-quality chair, which also features double-stitched ripstop nylon and double seams to go along with rubber feet for stability. The patented design sets the Cliq camping chair apart from others you can buy. It goes anywhere and ensures your comfort. What more could you ask for in a camping chair? FengChi LED Camping Lantern. It would be hard to find an outdoor item that combines value, usefulness, and plain old style in the way this 3-pack FengChi LED camping lantern does. Everyone who loves the outdoors knows the value of light, and these little giants do awesome work not only for camping, hiking, and fishing, but also in emergencies and many other unexpected events. Lots of hikers love to hang these lights on their backpacks, adding an extra layer of safety for any number of activities. These 8mm lights have a high setting of 150 lumens, and each are powered by 3 AAA batteries, which, by the way, are included. Even with the 3 small batteries, the total weight for one of these lamps is only 75 grams, perfect for the pound-conscious hiker. They are available in 3 individual colors, black, blue, and green, as well as combo packs to mix it up. Value, usefulness, and great style. The EarthPak Waterproof Dry Bag. With a wide range of sizes to choose from, the EarthPak Waterproof Dry Bag is essential gear for lovers of the outdoors. Built to last for years and years, this may be the last dry bag you ever purchase. Never worry again about keeping your essentials moisture-free. This is the way to go if you have to protect your valuable and sensitive items from the weather while on your outdoor adventure. This handy item comes with a surprising extra, an IPX8 certified waterproof phone cases included that will protect even the largest phones. Dual-sided clear windows even allow for picture taking while the phone is still fully protected from the elements. The wide range of sizes start at under 14 ounces and are all easy to fold and compact enough to take along anywhere. It really just may be the best and last dry bag you will ever need. Surviveware Biodegradable Wet Wipes. It's getting tough to find anyone who's not firmly convinced of the need to maintain good hygiene, even in the wilderness. These Surviveware biodegradable wet wipes are the perfect accessory for being outdoors and wanting to still stay healthy and clean. You get a 4-pack with 15 wipes each, plenty to keep you ready for wherever you're headed. And great news, these are not those tiny things that you'll run through in one afternoon. Each individual wipe is 8 by 12 inches and wet enough to clean your entire body. Great even for someone who just worked out and cannot shower immediately afterwards. Being fully biodegradable means you don't have to worry about leaving a trace in the great outdoors. And better yet, they are unscented. This means nothing to attract bugs, something adventurers with scented brands of wipes wish they had thought of first. Surviveware biodegradable wet wipes are a perfect accessory for any outdoor adventure.